With the power of AI, you will be able to create this stunning infographic in no time. This is what we are going to see in today's video. For this, just below my video in the description, I have shared a link. Make sure you're using the link to avail all the benefit which I show in today's video. Once you click on the link, you come to this page, pick to chart. And here you can log in using your Google account or your Facebook account. So once you have logged in, you'll come to this page and here you select for what you're using this to chart. And once that is done, continue, then choose the role, continue. You can choose to subscribe the newsletter or not. Then you're all set for the experience. So you come to this infographic plate homepage. Here you already have pre-custom made template. If you go to home, from here you have infographic, presentation, poster, report, flyer, more. And you can also custom size, or you come to all template, get these template here. So all this format find here. Okay. So for today's video, we will go with the generating AI infographic. Once you click here, you come to this page. Here you have two ways you can use AI to generate your infographic. One is type your topic, create one line prompt, or you upload your document. And from the document, the AI will create the infographic, which you can little tweak later on. And topic to infographic takes 10 seconds. Also, if you see here, you have this drop down to select infographic, poster, brochure, newsletter, etc. So this option exists here. So let me type a topic, 10 steps to start a business in US. Then click generate infographic. So you see here, now the infographic is getting ready. You have the template now ready, and all you need to do is tweak in here and start editing. You have the designs here. You can change color, you can change text. All of this we will see when we go to edit this infographic. So let's look at the options, what is here, and choose the one which I like. So I'm going with the one which is here. Let's edit this infographic. Here we have the template. Here you see we have all the options to edit, shape, icon. As we go down, you have options. These are paid ones, so we don't need paid ones to start with. Have illustrations. Again, you get all of them for free here. You see, if you want to go for 3D, you have this option here. Then photos, all of which you can do a search here from the search bar. So you see graphic, text, design component, color, chart, map, and you can also upload your own custom thing. We will start to edit this template. So first thing is I'm adding title here, 10 steps to start and US. And then you can drag and drop to adjust. See here like this. So I kind of like the overall theme, what the AI has given. All I would be doing is start filling in this. So let me fill this. And then I will do a running comment. Let me complete this part, the introduction part. So you can change the color. If you want to change the color, click here. Then click here. You can custom color by going this plus sign. If you know the color code, you can directly enter the color code. Or if you want to pick a color from some other source, you can just click on this picker and then go and choose the color what you want. For example, here. So that will change the template background. So this is the way to change. I kind of like the previous one. So color contrast, everything I'm going to keep as it is. Just change the text to my like. The AI has done pretty decent job, but I want to customize with my messaging. So the first part is done. So the first part, business plan, I'm changing this text with the relevant one which I have drafted. See here, you just need to align like this. So the business plan part is done. As you can see, I have changed all the text now, and I have not yet aligned. As we scrolling down, I will align this necessary here. Example, this can go a little up, and as I keep doing this, whatever I want to change, I can just go and start doing those changes. So text part is done. Now the image part, again for image, you have options here from this site. You see here, powered by Pixel. Pixel gives you free copyright free image. The other site also gives you copyright free image is this site Pixabay. And how to find a copyright free image? Anytime you come down here, once you click, for example, let me click here, free for use under the Pixabay content license. So Pixabay gives you free image. Always check this part to make sure that this is a free image. So is Pixel. So you can also go to Pixel directly. Here it is given as an integration. From this, you just need to type of image you're looking for and replace with these image what is here. For example, once I type business here and I entered, these are the images which are available for free. So you can just go in here, just bring the image what you want like this and drop it. You see, it is as simple as this. All you need to do is drag it. So this is how you will change the image. Let me type business plan. You see here, there are options here. So me pull this and take it here. This replaces the image, business structure. So likewise for business structure, place the image and you can tweak it as per your liking. If you don't like the color what is here and you want to tweak this, I'll show you website colors.co. So you see here you have palettes. So these are the options for the contrast what is shown here, and any color contrast which you like, you can just go and scroll on top of that image. You get the color code. For example, this one F6BD60. Once you click here, this gets copied. So we want to change this background, for example, click here and replace this, cut, copy, paste, and now you see that image color changes. This is how you will change the background color to make it consistent, the color contrast. So all this link will be there in the description for you to go and do your infographic. Go back. I kind of like this template, and if you look at the content of the template, 10 steps start business in US. This is actually the 10 step what you require to start business in US. I made a video and I've shown how simple it is to set up a business in US. The link will be there in the description. If you have not checked, you can see how people who are not even in US are setting up their business in US. So this template is kind of ready, and these images are copyright free. Text, everything is as per the requirement, and then you can just go and download this template from, let me download. For image, either you can download as PNG. For image, this PNG quality normal it shows. I'm good with this. Me download this image. So friend, you see how we generated this entire template with the help of AI, and our infographic template is ready. So you can customize using these options here, and as you can see, color option is here, but they are very limited. If you go and use the website which I've shown, you will be able to get much more color option. And then if you want to insert chart, come and just click on the chart, that will come, get inserted. Then you can just move to the space where you want that chart to. Example like this. Okay, so you can play around with this and customize your infographic. Now that we have seen with the prompts, we come to home, create, click on infographic, generate AI infographic. Here in the upload your document section, you just bring the document what you want to be turned into infographic. Once you do that, either in PDF, docs or text form, then the infographic will get generated the way it happened with the prompt, and you can go and edit and make your own infographic. So friends, this is how you can create infographic using AI. I hope you find this video useful. Please use the link which is given in the description section so that you go to the right resources, and I have organized all these resources at one place. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. Plethora of videos on website creation, new technology including AI. If you want to learn new thing, doing business in US and Canada, and if you want to be on YouTube. Thanks for watching.